My name is Naomi Kebba. I'm a cardiovascular and thoracic surgeon working here at Kenyatta University Teaching and Referral Hospital. We are majorly doing open heart surgeries today, and we've had cases like mitral valve stenosis, mitral valve regurgitation. Some of them have had both valves, the mitral and aortic valve, affected, so those are having double valve issues. So today we managed to do 2 cases. We did, the first case was a single valve, where it was an aortic valve. With here the patient had an aortic stenosis, and then the second patient was a mitral valve regurgitation, which we managed to do as well. For open heart surgery, it's basically a procedure where the chest is opened, then the heart is opened. We access the diseased valves, we remove them, and then we replace them with mechanical valves which function better than the diseased valve. And once these valves are changed, the patient will have to be on lifelong medication to keep the valves working well.
My name is Erickson Kilonzo. I'm a cardiac perfusionist in Kenyatta University Teaching and Referral Hospital. My role here as a cardiac perfusionist is to take over the function of the heart and the lungs using that special machine called a heart-lung machine, whereby we take over the function of the heart in terms of circulation, and also we take over the function of the lungs in terms of oxygenating the patient. So basically, in simple terms, we take over the function and the function of the heart and the lungs during open heart surgeries.